Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video ay pumunta kami sa Sandugo Festival. Ito ay located sa Tagbilaran, Bohol. At ang lugar na ito, kung makikita nyo, sobrang lawak nito dahil ito ay ang kanilang dating airport. At ngayon, ang kanilang airport ay nasa Panglao dahil maraming turista at international airport na rin ang Panglao. So guys, nagtitinda sila dito ng mga damit, mga accessories, mga handicrafts from Bohol, at mga laruan ng mga bata, at kung ano-ano pa. Tsaka meron palang nagtatato din dito at hindi ko alam kung magkano ang bayad. So guys, sa side naman na ito ay mga juice, mga palamig, mga smoothie, kung ano-ano pang mga fruit juice. At may isa dito na sobrang pinipilahan ng haba-haba ng pila. Kung makikita nyo guys, sobrang haba niyan doon pa sa dulong-dulo. Tapos may mga fishbowl din, mga lumpia dito na side. Tapos sa kabilang side naman, doon din makikita yung mga lechon manok, lechon baboy, mga barbecue.
Palit ko ito niya, katunga juice. Kaya kung sunog. Sa dulo tayo. Doon ay kanta. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good things. Smiling till my face is aching, love until my heart is breaking. Look at all the good things we have. Look at all the good
try. You got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright. So just smile like there's no one watching. Early morning on a Saturday, wake up, time to get it started. No one's gonna get in your way. No one's gonna leave you broken hearted. You don't need nobody else. Everyone knows you're doing well, so well, yeah.
Tapos guys, ang side na to ay mga pagkain naman. Like, meron ditong lechon, barbecue, mga pang dinner, mga ganyan. Ito yung side na to sa left side. Yan, may lechon. Tapos guys, if nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. And see you guys in my next video.
I see the way you're winning. You got something that inspires everyone who's lost their vision. You got something that everyone is craving. I'm just wishing I can be with you. I feel like I need you in my arms. Something about the way you look when you sit your child. You got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright. So just smile like there's no one watching. Know that everybody wants to be your love. Ooh, don't you know, yeah, that I never thought I'd fall under your spell. Yeah, just one look in your eyes and I know I found who I'm looking for. It's the way that you smile that captivates my mind. 'Cause I see the way you're winning. You got something.